Hello, my name is Grainne Devine. I work as an environmental officer in the Seafood Technical Services business unit of BIM. BIM, or Ireland Seafood Development Agency. Today I'm going to talk to you about our project on the testing and demonstrating the application of natural capital accounting to the seafood sector, focusing in on Clew Bay in County Mayo. First, I want to provide a small bit of background about the seafood sector and more particularly the aquaculture sector in Ireland. The seafood sector in Ireland is small but important for the economy, society and the environment. It employs more than 16,000 people directly and indirectly, and these jobs are mainly located in coastal and peripheral regions. Much of our seafood is exported. Aquaculture production is dominated by salmon, oysters and mussels. Salmon is our highest value seafood export. This is due in part to organic certification, which in turn is reliant on a high quality environment. There are 278 aquaculture production units in the country, and 25% of all aquaculture production comes from the northwest region, which includes our study area, Clew Bay. Within Clew Bay, there is longline mussel production, oyster production, Clare Island Organic Sea Farm, as well as a range of fishing activities. Recognising that natural capital accounting was an emerging discipline and keen to explore its relevance to the seafood sector, BIM engaged initially with Natural Capital Ireland to find out a bit about the whole area. In 2019, IDEA Group were contracted to assist us to conduct an initial assessment to examine if and how natural capital accounting could be applied to the seafood sector. The assessment concluded that natural capital accounting can bring about a range of opportunities and help address various sectoral challenges as listed. Its application could be relevant at agency level or at sectoral level, from national through to business scale. Moving on from the initial assessment, BIM decided to examine the real-life application of natural capital accounting for the seafood sector. This project has recently started, and again, working with IDEA Group, we are using the SIA approach and mirroring what is being done by INCASE, albeit at a much smaller scale. We chose Clew Bay, County Mayo as our study area for a number of reasons. BIM have two excellent regional development officers located in the area. They have built strong relations and engaged with the seafood and wider stakeholders through CLAMS, Coordinated Local Aquaculture Management Systems, RIF, the Regional Inshore Fisheries Forum, and other local initiatives. Clew Bay is data rich and an area where leisure and recreation and the seafood sector are very integrated. We are planning to test and demonstrate natural capital accounting over two case studies. The first case study looks at sustainable management of marine resources at bay scale and supporting marine spatial planning with natural capital accounting. The second case study looks at improving business level sustainability performance using natural capital accounting based sustainability assessments and reporting. This case study will focus on a shellfish aquaculture business or business cluster. This is because aquaculture is spatially defined. A lot of work is ongoing on shellfish management systems, and we are also keen to explore shellfish ecosystem services. To date on the project, we have established our internal and external steering committees and conducted training with the team. We are really happy with the team and they've already contributed valuable inputs. We are currently developing a use case questionnaire to help focus the case studies and ensure that we can tap into all of the relevant data and identify gaps and make sure that the applications are relevant to the sector. Over the coming months, we will be collecting and inputting data and seeing what we can learn, what stories can be told and what challenges met within the case studies. The project will end in 2021, but we are excited to see what we can learn from it and how its wider application may be able to support the future management of the seafood sector and the natural environment.